siren crying at the midnight rain. Bassline heavy, pressure on the brain. Smoking at the air and the moon gone fade. Babylon tremble when the shadows invade. Footsteps echo down a cold concrete lane. Dark clouds gather and the thunder bring pain. No trust in our faces, too much disguise. Sneaking on the grass with them venomous eyes. Deep in the system where the lost souls roam, searching for a place but them never feel home. Fire in a my spirit, no chain can hold. True, too powerful, can never be sold. Hear the echo call from the underground. Bassline shaking walls, heavy sound surround. Shadow sound, shadow sound. Dub vibration shaking all the town. Darkness rise, but me never bow down. Jungle drum a beat and the bassline pound. Shadow sound, shadow sound. Lost souls dancing when the lights go down. Smoke and thunder all around. Deep dub pressure with the wicked sound. Cold wind blowing through the city at night, searching for the peace but them hiding the light. Voices in a echo from a distant place. Still me stand firm with the strength and grace. Them want see me fall but me rise again. Storm after storm and me conquer pain. Sub bass rolling like a train through hell. The ancient stories that the hell